everybody, and welcome to another great episode of Cooking at the Chateau. And this time I've got Billy with me.
I'd like to say I was conned into this. I thought it was drinking at the chateau.
Oh, wait, come on. We've got Lachlan in here too. Oh, hello. He heard cooking and he came running. You want a treat? He's like, what's cooking?
Yeah.
Okay,
so. By the way, mate.
We are here yet again with my secret recipe or my secret diary of all things great in here. And I've got another great recipe out of it. So, this one in particular is something for Phil likes doing best.
Oh, entertaining. Sorry. So this is...
You say entertaining, I thought drinking, but okay, yeah.
Drinking is what I call entertaining.
Yeah.
So obviously it's a chateau, but it's also something we love, which is why we do our events, is we love entertaining. And...
Drinking.
Yeah, drinking, to be fair. So this is something Angelina's come up with that you can make these sort of savoury snacks for when you're having a drink with friends in the afternoon. This would usually be on our terrace because it's our favourite place here. We love outside and that's our area. But it's not really the time of year and we're doing it anyway. One, to film for you guys. Two, because I've been in the UK, stuck there for 2 months, so...
He needs a bit of entertainment or a bit of drinking. But anyway, so this is a savoury. I know I've been doing sweet stuff recently. I thought I'd share with you some savoury things. And this is a simple one to go with any wine. Mainly. It can be with beer, but... Anyways, we're in a land of wine in France. And there's a lot of wine drinking going on. So better get your game on and learn how to have really nice appetizer and... savoury things going on. So this is simple. You can see there are 3 ingredients here. You're gonna need some measuring cups and that's it, and an oven, I guess. So this is making a savoury appetizer cheese sticks, and you're gonna need half a cup of unsalted butter. You need to have it softened, and 2 cups of grated cheese, and 1 1/4 cups of plain flour.
And at least 2 glasses of wine.
The extra things you could do if you wanted to is chuck in some, if you like it spicy, some cayenne pepper or maybe some herbs and things like that. If you like that sort of things, just go and experiment with it. But those are the basic 3 ingredients. Anyways, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 Celsius. I like to heat up my butter in the oven. You can do it in the microwave. So that's a nice quick way to have it perfectly soft. Now the butter has warmed up, I'm gonna now whisk it up. Start mixing and whisking the butter until it's soft. Look, it's done. Nice, soft and beat up. The butter is all beaten up. Come and have a look. Look inside. It's lovely and soft. Perfect. Now for the rest of the ingredients. Then throw in the cheese and follow that, throw in the flour until it's all completely mixed up. Philip is going to assist me now and put down the KitchenAid.
Getting told off.
Right. Let's watch if he knows how to do it. Oh, wow, I'm impressed. Okay. What's going on?
I'm making sure it's in place.
Yeah, just don't break it.
I'm not going to break. Shush. Right. What do I get?
Woo! He does know how to work this.
Faster?
Yeah, I think speed this up. Or maybe slow it down. I can drink more.
If I put it on full speed, will it fly everywhere?
Yeah, it will. Yeah, slowly. 1, please.
And it's at this moment, while this small, while this is doing the work for you, sit back and relax.
I think it's the best thing about the cooking channel here. You get to eat amazing things. And well, today's recipe is great because we're drinking, so, and you clearly are thirsty.
Mine evaporated.
There we go. So you want to get it to this sort of consistency where it's like grainy. And whilst Phil is going to get another bottle to top us up, I'll get this out on the sheet where we will prepare it.
Okay, well, we will prepare it.
Yeah. Okay.
The last one's evaporated. It's really hot in here. This is where we go. Here's one I made earlier.
Yeah, like.
Oh, I can't do that. And through the magic of video, of video editing, here's one I bought at the shop earlier. No, I'm lying.
You know, usually when you buy the cheese biscuits or something like that, they just always taste not cheesy. They taste like fake cheese, like preservatives and stuff like that. This one tastes incredible. How cheese or savoury biscuits should taste like. Okay. Right, so it's nice and incorporated. Let's just empty it out.
Don't go everywhere. What are you doing?
I know, it's a bit... It is how it is.
Ah.
I'll be the chef and you be the... what are those people that... what are they called? The ones that are in the restaurants that wash the dishes?
Kitchen porter.
Yeah, but I'll call you my chef assistant.
That'll be the sous chef, darling.
Yeah, but you'll be the sous chef by name, but by trade you'll be the... Yeah.
Kitchen minion.
Kitchen minion. Well, also, I put you down. You're a great little bartender. Okay,
Right.
So now it's crumbly, and all we're doing is applying some pressure onto it. I'm not trying to make it too thick. It's about 1/2 inch thick. You kind of want it that thickness. Try and make a square or rectangle shape, because next you'll need to do is make some cuttings. Oh, I forgot to say that I'm doing this straight on what essentially is what do you call it?
It's a grease-proof
baking paper, yeah, but this one's special for like barbecues and fish and everything, basically. It's the like alternative, the recyclable one.
Reusable.
Reusable one, yes, because we're very eco-friendly here. Use, reuse, and use.
My glamorous assistant did hand me that. Honestly, they're just camera shy.
All right, so now...
We don't need this.
No, actually, no, we don't need this, right? There's another. Anyways, so I'm just separating it like this and let you get on with it.
Yeah, I want to do that. Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. You go and do the washing up.
I do the hard part.
You go and do the washing up. Go do the washing up.
You're doing a wonderful job, Hugsy.
Go do the washing up.
You see, you can get the husbands involved in this. It's really great. This recipe just calls for husband help, whilst you do the hard part. And all you have to do is cut it into long strips and separate it. The strips here are about 2 centimeters, 1/2 inch wide. The same thickness as the dough, roughly. Whilst my assistant is clearing the kitchen, I will take the time to enjoy a well-deserved drink.
Right, enough. What do we do now?
Well, my glamorous assistant.
No, they're over there, out of shop.
Right, so now this is done. It's time to put it in the oven.
Right, so that's in the oven. And how long is that in the oven for?
15 to 20 minutes. You watch out for when it's nice, crispy and ready. So between 15 to 20 minutes, it should be done. Whilst we wait for that, we will roll our favourite place, which is the sun terrace, where we enjoy the most drinking in the summertime with our friends. hope you enjoyed that. That's a beautiful place. We love it so much. Now let's go and have a look at how those cheese sticks are doing. It's ready and Philip's coming over with the tray. Come, let's see. Oh, they look wonderful. This whole room smells lovely and cheesy, doesn't it?
Mm.
And the best thing is you can serve them with olives or nuts or something like that as an aperitif with the drinks, which is always great and goes down really, really well. Now we'll leave these to cool down for a few minutes and come back and Philly will do the taste test.
Okay, cool. Right, let's go get the fire going and then we'll come back to this in 5 minutes.
Hi! No, wait. Let me stir. I was thinking what to say. Shut up.
Hello.
Stop it.
Hi, Mum, I'm on the telly.
So, these 3 ingredients are...
Cheese.
Wait, this is when it's listening. And
Cheese.
I'm saying shush. Yes, it's cheesy. And start beating up the butter until it's soft.
So, you're not beating me up. What?
No, I'm not beating you up. And then throw in the lightning.
Sorry, the dog's eating the cat food.
No, it's not going to listen. You want to get it to the consistency where it's grainy, but don't worry about that. You're gonna continue making that much noise. Here you go. Put that in the sink. Thank you.
Phil, exit stage right.
Yes.
Camera left, stage right.
And now.
Phil exits stage right.
Okay, cool. So now.
Dog hair.
Yes, there's dog hair everywhere. Okay, dog hair means love.
Where's my glamorous assistant? Oh no, am I the glamorous assistant?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh, I'm the stage dressing. Oh, I'm just
Okay,
a
stop.
brute force.
We're not making a strudel. You're squishing it like you want it to go back into a sausage mode or something.
Yeah. Okay, they cool down. So the fire's roaring in there. So we're going to have a lovely evening, chilling out, bit of food. It's Sunday after all. We are actually filming, cooking Sundays at the Chateau on a Sunday. Believe it or not. So
Taste.
it's a taste test. It's a taste
Let's
test.
talk more food.
I'm cleansing my palate.
Okay, I'm going for this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, isn't it? It's nice with the wines and the olives. Moorish. And the dog likes it too. Anyways, okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching.
I really hope, if you're watching this on Sunday or afterwards, I hope you've had a great weekend, have a great evening, and I hope Monday starts the way you want it to, and you have a great week.
Cheers.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
If you'd like to become a patron, then simply head over to the link in the description. That will open the page with all the membership levels. And if you'd like to buy us a coffee, head over to the link to buy as many coffees as you like and leave us a message. If you like this episode, then don't forget to subscribe and check out the other episodes suggested coming up on screen now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.